Sing with me. Let's explore the letter O. You'll see. O is for orange, round and bright, juicy and yummy, such a delight. O is for olive, small and green, on pizzas and plates it's often seen. O is for onion, purple and white, chop, chop, chop.
But hold on tight.
O is for owl, wise and sweet, big round eyes and quiet feet. O is for ox, strong and slow, pulling carts and saying hello. O is for ostrich, tall and proud, running fast, not feeling shy or loud. O is for ocean, blue and wide, waves go whoosh as fishies glide. O is for octopus, squishy and fun, 8 long arms, wiggle, wiggle, run. O is for octagon, sides are 8, count them all.
Isn't that great?
O is for oval, smooth and round, like an